been trying to lose weight, cutting calories, exercising, even resisting your favorite snacks, but the scale refuses to budge. It's frustrating, right? What if I told you that the problem isn't your effort, but a few hidden mistakes you're making without even realizing it? Today, we're breaking down 7 surprising reasons why you're not losing weight, and once you fix them, the results will follow fast. Before we dive in, make sure to smash that like button so more people struggling with weight loss can see this video. And if you're serious about getting in shape, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I drop powerful health and fitness tips every week, and trust me, you don't want to miss out. Number 7. You are eating more than you think you might think. You're eating the right amount, but here's the truth. Most people underestimate their calorie intake, by a lot. A few extra bites here, a little oil in your cooking there, or even that small handful of nuts while watching TV, it all adds up. Did you know that just an extra 500 calories a day, which is as little as a latte and a handful of chips, can lead to gaining a pound of fat every single week? Here's how to fix it. Start tracking your food for just 1 week. Use an app like MyFitnessPal or Chronometer and measure everything, including snacks, cooking oils, and drinks. The results might shock you. Number 6. Your workouts are not intense enough. You hit the gym regularly, but here's a reality check: not all workouts burn fat effectively. If your heart rate isn't increasing, or if you can hold a full conversation while exercising, you might not be burning enough calories to see a real change. Studies show that high-intensity interval training HIIT burns 2x more fat than traditional cardio. Why? Because it keeps your metabolism elevated even after your workout, meaning you burn calories long after you've stopped sweating. Here's how to fix it. Try this: sprint for 30 seconds, walk for 1 minute, repeat for 20 minutes. This simple tweak can skyrocket your fat-burning potential. Number 5. You are not eating enough protein. Protein isn't just for bodybuilders, it's a weight loss powerhouse. It helps build lean muscle, speeds up your metabolism, and keeps you fuller for longer, so you don't end up snacking on junk food. Here's the science. A high-protein diet can boost your metabolism by 15 to 30% compared to just 5 to 10% for carbs and fats. That means you're burning more calories just by digesting your food. Here's how to fix it. Make sure every meal contains a solid protein source, like chicken, fish, eggs, or Greek yogurt. Aim for at least 0.8 to 1.2 grams of protein per pound of body weight daily. Number 4. You are not sleeping enough. Sleep is your secret weapon for weight loss. Studies show that sleep-deprived people eat 300 to 500 more calories per day. Why? Because when you're tired, your body craves high-sugar, high-fat foods for quick energy. And if that's not bad enough, lack of sleep slows down your metabolism and increases cortisol, the stress hormone that encourages fat storage, especially around your belly. Here's how to fix it. Try going to bed at the same time every night and avoiding screens 30 minutes before sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep, and you'll be amazed at how much easier weight loss becomes. Number 3. Stress isn't just bad for your mind, it's a major weight loss killer. When you're stressed, your body releases cortisol, which tells your body to hold on to fat, especially around your belly. And let's be real, when you're stressed, do you crave broccoli or ice cream? Stress leads to mindless eating, emotional eating, and sugar cravings, making it even harder to lose. Here's how to fix it. Take at least 10 minutes a day to relax, whether that's meditation, deep breathing, or even just a walk outside. Reducing stress levels can directly impact your ability to lose weight. Number 2. Drinks might seem harmless, but they could be ruining your weight loss progress. Liquid calories don't fill you up, yet they add hundreds of extra calories to your day. A large latte, 250 calories. A sports drink, 150 calories. A glass of fruit juice, 180 calories, just as much sugar as soda. Here's how to fix it. Switch to water, black coffee, or herbal tea. If you love sweetness, try 0-calorie sweeteners or make infused water with lemon and mint. Number 1. The most shocking: you expect instant results. Here's the hard truth: weight loss is not instant. Many people get discouraged when they don't see immediate results and quit just before their body starts changing. The key to success: consistency. The weight didn't come on overnight, and it won't disappear overnight either. Trust the process, celebrate small wins, and stay committed. Here's how to fix it. Stop focusing on the scale and instead track your energy levels, how your clothes fit, and your progress photos. These tell the real story of your transformation. Now that you know these 7 hidden mistakes, it's time to take action. Which one surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, if this video helped you, hit that like button, it helps YouTube show this video to more people who need it. Make sure to subscribe for weekly fitness tips and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out.